So now so it happen as when they see him. Any way they we go so they talk him as I it see him. So now so like to a one step but now say enough work as you see him. Enough work as when I see him, we just work with the condition where they any one day it go better. So countryman, we get for talk. So me we yet in where the governor of the West Region he go talk and then we come out, we enter another one. So what the governor you get for talk me we hear. Me we yet in where governor of the West Region he talk.
I'm so delighted and so honored that the executive of the funds of Ndogamantu decided on their visit to Fumot to pay a courtesy call on the governor that I am, as governor and as elite of the Northwest region. I think it's a good thing that the funds have decided to come over and meet their population in Fumot. We know Fumot harbors so many internally displaced, and I think through this visit they will be able to sensitize the population from Ndogamantu to accept the hospitality of the people of the West Region and Nun in particular, as well as to be law-abiding and make good use of their stay in Fumot. This visit will remind them that they are in Fumot, but they remain sons and daughters of the Northwest region, and that they should do everything when the time comes to move back to their division of origin. But of course, it is a call for patriotism and a reminder that we are sons and daughters of Cameroon.
The meaning of this visit is in recognition that one of ours is at the commands of West region. We could not come for our executive meeting in Fumot without making a stop here to say, Papa, Asha, for good work. I think it is just that, nothing else. We have stopped to congratulate our son from the Northwest, who is the governor of the West region. Yeah, the message is just that we will continue tomorrow to the Sultan in Fumban, because also as funds, custodian of tradition, we cannot hold our meeting in Fumbot without also paying a courtesy visit to the Sultan, who is the paramount king of the area. So it goes with line with our visit to the governor. After Fumban, we will come back to Fumbot and hold our executive meeting proper.
On that side. Now me we see now how Lions them. That means say we football team, they practice how Ndamba it go up on small time. So now them that as when I say they don't talk say this so today. If like sun is shine the way or rain it fall the way say they get for slap Ndamba today we know a small one. Say me their fans them and all the Cameroon picking them. Say when she done for some place today, may you she don't find because they don't really win. Anyway, oh man, it talks say so if when I don't talk when I'm up, that means a team way foot it get for doing. And population they talk say so that boy when they play the can with an for when I onside for back. Say no na so today born for before. They know the play ball can't score for back for your po again. They just play ball score now for your opponent. I don't know whether they would have club when they play the go back and they one only for Cameroon national team. All that team then where they did all that country the way they did for Cote d'Ivoire. I know the same man with the tech ball, they come with them for a pole. So today if when I make that one again, that means say Cameroon get for turn back for first rank and no fine. So now so that they train for that side. And now we correspondent. That means say person where if we come up for 3 hours, he go for that side now. And once I want on SSF, the American will get all this one. So countryman, yes, put win number for calling. Yes, we will just take one person or two and then we come out. Yes, they go put win number. Call talk your own. Thing where they pass for site for government bilingual high school for site for Etogebe. What you get for talk and what you get for talk concerning the match where it go play today. We rely on them. They don't talk say they could succeed for win today. So that means we qualify for second round. What you get for talk on top of that one, you talk them. So now the number than that. Where you want call off the volume for your TV so that means we hear you fine. Yes. Oh now it the talk now a passy that man way we don't catch ball so we win Brazil. He did there. Yes. So it the trend strong. Say number today no easy. Yes, it the trend it don't feel they get 50 million. Like they not put it for few. You don't finish. Clinton JSSF is the joke, but they don't get money. Even he not play for fee, money be don't enter for inside account. Hello, countryman. Yes, first person. Hello.
Hello, MOKO. Good morning.
Yeah, how are you doing?
No bad.
Yeah. Now you come outside.
I'm from Chelsea.
Yes, what you got for tell me, countryman?
I will first start for talk for Palawa that Lycée, which will happen for Lycée, be very bad, it be very unfair.
Yes.
And I will start for talk say, me, I know the Kwango blame Swamp, I will talk to the principal for the school. If they say they lock it for 7:15, I never ever see any Lycée where they lock it for 7 o'clock. So, he get to 11, for that 7:15, if you lock it for 7:15, the thing will happen, it never happen. And then I will go sign for match. Me all come away and them. Me all wear mayo. As I did, so I don't put on mayo. I didn't buy soda and get for soda people. They say more B for come on their back. They match no more win and more cross.
Thank you. Another call again. Hello?
Hello, MOKO. Good morning.
Good morning. Your name and the side call. You get now 20 seconds. Quick.
Yeah, my name is Mr. Fonko Maxadi. Call from Chapel Village.
Okay, we'll hear you.
Yeah, my contribution I'm going to for Lions their match today evening.
Talk now, begin to talk. Time no day.
Yeah. He talks to me, coach. It's a way to make that they will win this match because Anga did it too much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning. Your name and the side of the call. You get 15 seconds. Respect the time. Go ahead.
I'll be Jude Kum. I call from Yaoundé.
We did hear you.
Yes. I want to say for that Palanga for that school, the principal they stop that their team rate and therefore high class today. They think that the entire population not get for grades. All that fault to are depending on that principal. Then for that football section, me song just got back it back because we not go one listening again. That team where that school picking they do one for day. Now they beginning of the same thing to a fake a foot. Or the year we for this time around for Yaoundé. We recover some. If the big man not know say some not give in anything again for we. Some of the deny semi-final calling and the other ones they me they not pay. Then go to bring people where they don't ever say no wait in the Cameroon. They don't know the Cameroon can't really get the passion of football.
Voilà. You never respect your time. So learn for respect time. Me we take another person again with the salute all the gendarme them for side for Fumbot and the other one them for side for Bafosam. Hello?
Hello,
Morning, oh.
Good morning, I go for Cleveland.
Huh?
I
Yes, what you got for tell we for 15 seconds?
Okay, I want to talk now about the Longo for Cote d'Ivoire, talking about them. I don't know whether we are going to selection that we're going to make them. So I think we talk about so far, I don't know whether any player and thing I was going to go down Cote d'Ivoire.
The very player them where they qualify when for African nation. The player them where they be win Brazil, all man jump. Now because if Cameroon when they don't find all man glad. When they don't bat, all man vex. I know they understand. Yes. One thing they where they talk say this so if it needs me as in the worker, they begin for go to the other side. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Come out for corner noise. If you never come out, go call you and not get energy again for the teach when I'm small children. We take different person. Hello? We the great all man where the reason and we the great to those way they know the reason. Say one day they could reason. Because if you talk say this so you want call program, you come out for noise, you remain for the damn say you get mental disorder. Hello?
Yes.
Good morning, your name and the time of the call. I will give you that 12 seconds. Quick.
Okay. Now I want to talk about that people today.
Give me your name and the side of the call. Follow thing where they talk.
Yes. I'll come by them to the from the medical.
With you, sir.
Yes. Now we want to put that much for today. Say, ambitious say Leon go win.
Thank you. You don't support say Leon go win. Me when I know the beep credit now 100 for 4,000. When I beep now waiting. Hello? Yes. I say when I see people in the work our head so we water flop inside they don't understand. Hello? We salute all man we follow the program for side for Bangante. We salute all man for side for Bazoo and for that side for place where they call them for Baham. We they know they miss the program. Hello? Good morning. Good morning. Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, MOKO.
Yeah, now one of those were the reason for Cameroon. Your name and the side where the call, sir.
Tasha Derek, I call from Fumot.
Yes, Tasha Derek for side for Fumot. What you got for Terry?
Yeah, I want to talk some more about the Lions way they are matching the game today.
Yes.
I just say for Cameroon national team we get a lot of players, but at the CC mix up the only come for the lineup. When they try we could change the lineup for today, they modify the lineup so that now win the match. Because if they don't win the match, they come back for first round. It will be a shame because if we run to for Qatar or Brazil, we will not see Cameroon country we don't produce the football team for Africa. If they make them they come out for first round, it will look good. That's now I want to contribute for match for round today.
Okay. Salute all man for Banso Quarter. Salute all man for Banso Quarter for side for. Good morning, sir. Hi there.
I did find the Ramoko.
Who they call the person they vote?
Clovis for Yaoundé.
Yes. Clovis.
Yes. I want to plan and say the problem for Leon no be say we no get players. The player na play for coach because coach he go the match with one plan. We get team B. You no get heart for judge. I don't know whether he come and when would they look the team they say some never play ball. Because for match na heart when you know say because you get to get heart broke second half you broke their attacker then change different one.
Voilà. You know respect time. When we give time with it look now wait way it get for come next. Another call again, we salute all man for side for Monday, but we salute to those where they did the other side for place where they call them now for Idina. And then we salute to those for Krebi and for Idia. We salute Carifon Bongo. If you call, you know say there's no television there for your corner, I no go concentrate for you, I go concentrate for different person. Hello, continue. Yes. They did plenty. I be tell when I say no see some person they work for road we head, you chase some thing with the inside that thing with the person. Plenty people and they will carry their hair so way they suffer a neck for nothing. Hello?
Well,
morning. Your name and the side will call. Small time will come out.
Now Christian that's free boy from Santa.
What do you got for tell we? I say Santa woman them now and people them for that side for my thousand they know they buy powder again.
They know they buy powder, Jeramoko. Don't.
Why they know they buy powder?
Because those places for road, most company don't can keep gravel for road. This road they keep them say they want time good road, they go down, they walk them again, they go on the different side them. Now why that we do things?
Okay, wait till you begin to tell with free boy, you'll be the last caller.
Okay, I have my own motivation about that school for you to go back for Yaoundé.
Yes.
Did they ever talk to our country on the talk they say parable say there's never a smoke without fire. If they're picking and they create so therefore teacher or principal must something must they will be wrong before they do that kind of thing. But I know so for me they picking for the average run drum. But something there for inter way they wrong.
Yeah,
something there.
Talk.
Yes.
I said free boy.
Yes.
I know say you must video we how they go to look number for site for Santa today.
Yes.
And then make up some people and tell we how the number don't happen. Hello? Someone want show witness say get picking. Then someone they lost the credit. So Francois leave am. The program don't finish. Me man not call again. And tomorrow we'll talk fine. When you want video something for send and for Toreman and when you know say they get for sure. When I go see the WhatsApp number where you go show. Hold your Android phone na so. When you want video am me long, small. Because when you video am na second. Me I know they show me thing for second because at the show thing where they take all time, make a me person see I'm fine. If you video something for seconds, not the waste their time for send and for